Hi everyone, my name is James Millar and welcome to my course, Caching JavaScript REST API Data with Local Storage. I'm a software development consultant and author from Bristol. Storing data locally in the browser gives you new ways to improve the user experience, increase performance, and opens up the opportunity to leverage functionality such as offline and multi-device synchronization. In this course, we're going to explore some of the key features of local storage and pouchDB that you can use to manage user data and cache data you receive from REST APIs. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include how to store data in local storage and session storage, how to store API data, how to work out when API data needs to be refreshed, and working with pouchDB to store complex objects. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of both local storage and pouchDB, and have all the skills you need to add local storage functionality into your web apps. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about caching REST API data in local storage with the Caching JavaScript REST API Data with Local Storage course at Pluralsight.